Hi guys, hope you're okay, hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today's video we have an unboxing video for you guys, but this time it's not Zara for once. We have an M&S unboxing ready for you guys. So yeah, M&S isn't a brand that people usually go for, especially like young people, because obviously you feel like your mom shops in M&S, your auntie shops in M&S, but there are items in there that if you did look to purchase or you did look to buy, you could style it in a way that could work for your age range. So yeah, don't shut down M&S yet. Hopefully you guys will see things and you'll understand that, okay, there are things in there, and M&S is good quality as well. So if you want something unique and something that will last you, it's definitely going to be M&S. So yeah, anything you wanted to say?
I think that's about it. They're sale items though.
Yeah, they are sale items. That's another thing. I think people think M&S is very expensive, which it is when you look at their full price. But if you go to their sale section, then you're sorted. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So all of these items in this box, will show you how the box looks, are all tweed blazers, right? Yeah, majority are tweed blazers. So hopefully you see some jackets in here that you like, and yeah,
a few jackets as well.
Yeah. So let me show you guys the first item. So first one, all of which are under £20 by the way, guys. This blue, this tweed jacket, blue color, like you guys can see. I think we've got something similar from Zara that you've seen in the jackets video before, but yeah, here's another similar alternative. Yeah, in terms of the structure, it's a little bit different. I think those Zara ones, their drop shoulder is a bit more significant, where you can see.
I think these are raglan sleeves.
Yeah, so
when we say raglan sleeve, we mean that the sleeve is cut into the bodice of the shirt.
Oh, okay.
Whereas
in the back,
with
like,
normal sleeve, they just attach it, but this one is cut into
it. Yeah. So there you guys can see from the back, you've got your big breast pockets in the front, which is quite signature for a jacket. And yeah, all in all, really nice one. Size 16 for anyone who's wondering. And
how does the fabric feel?
There's not really much to say about it. It is soft, not too heavy, but it's not really light. I don't know how to describe it. It even has some like furish going on to the wool, but
because it looks like felt from here, but I don't think M&S will use felt for their.
It has fetish. Oh, and it has pockets here as well. But yeah, really nice jacket. Anything you're gonna style it with in particular?
Oh, definitely jeans. I mean, like you said before, M&S has the matured cut, or their cuts or silhouettes fit the matured woman. So if you want to pick M&S stuff, you want to consciously style it with younger pieces. Yeah. So that you give it the balance. But the good thing is that once you pick an M&S item, you know that, like you said, it's going to last you for a very long time. So it's worth investing in M&S than you're not going to Primark every month
or anywhere else. So yeah, that's the first jacket. Next one, which is very similar, but it's the brown and the beige. Really like this one. I'm very much into neutral, so seeing this, very much my style. It is a size 22, so bigger than the one you saw before. So if you want something a bit more oversized. Another thing which I also say is that M&S have a wide range of sizes, because obviously they cater to the mature woman. It's almost like mums. Anybody who is plus size has more of a variety to choose from, whereas boutiques would stick to maybe 16 and then that's about it, which I really respect as a brand. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very similar to the one before, just a different color scheme. So yeah, you guys can have an idea.
I think the color scheme is quite good. It's very muted, but very chic. It's not like out there. It's not, too, strong.
In your face. So yeah, This one, really, really nice jacket. Really like this one personally. And on to the next. We have this tweed jacket. I want to say it's navy, but I have to open the packaging to see if it's navy or black. Size.
Most of these things are under £20.
Yeah. So here you have originally £59. Is that the same?
The same, 59. Yeah.
So yeah. So this navy blue tweed jacket, you have even darker blue running through it. I don't think you can see on camera.
I like the silhouette.
Yeah.
It's a vintage classic silhouette. Even when you look at school blazers,
yeah,
you know how they feel boxy, but they kind of have an A-line shape to it.
Okay.
That's how these blazers are normally cut, and I think it fits a lot of body,
body types.
Yeah.
The buttons are really nice, really interesting, giving it a vintage vibe. You have the gold rim with the black center. Originally £79, size 20. For those of you who are wondering, let me show you the back. So yeah, all in all, really, really nice tweed blazer. I said this that M&S items give me regal vibes. Like they look very, very upper class when you see them.
I don't think that even the camera is doing it justice, because in
really?
real life it looks quality.
Yeah.
You know, like everybody says Chanel, but I think you can do M&S blazer and nobody will even know that it's M&S.
Yeah.
They'll think it's Chanel jacket you're wearing.
So all in all, really, really like this blazer. Next tweed jacket we have. This is in a size 16. Unfortunately, it's not on a hanger. Let me see if I can put it on a hanger so that you guys can actually get the structure of the blazer. But it's like beige, white, and black, and it's houndstooth, which was really in last season, and it's still, I see glimpses of it when it came out with the big vests. So yeah, houndstooth jacket. Really, really nice cut. It seems a really relaxed fit. It even says relaxed fit on the label.
Is it a drop shoulder?
A little bit, yeah, I think so. No, yeah, it is.
It looks like a drop shoulder. How much was it originally?
Originally, it was £79, size 16 for everybody who can see. Yeah, and then it comes with a belt in the back. So if you do feel like you want to cinch it in, you do have that option. Really nice, clean cut. Something that will definitely last you. And especially if you're somebody who is a little bit older, but you want to be in tune or in trend, you can go for something like this, which I think will make you look unique amongst your peers. So yeah, really, really cool jacket over here.
I think houndstooth never goes out of fashion. So
yeah, I feel like I've seen it go around, and it's still around.
Then black and white, it's also a staple all season. Even it's apparently it's in again. So I don't know whether it went anywhere, because people
wear black and white all the time. Yeah.
So they said it's in again.
Yeah.
So
there we are. This is the next jacket. Already I'm sold on the colour. But let me open it up. It's a size 20. Just for reference. And I already like the cut, the fit, everything about it. It looks slightly crop as well. I don't know if it is, but yeah, really nice. The colour I would say is sagey minty.
Yeah, light sage.
Yeah, a very
nice
one.
This is a typical trucker jacket. That's what they call it, like a trucker. You know, truck drivers. Yeah. Originally, this was their style of
their style of jacket. Yeah, they've made it into.
But now that's fashion for you.
Statement. Yeah. So size 20. Let me show you guys. Originally £45, but like we said, now all under 20. So yeah.
I bought the 20 because I wanted a boxy fit. I wanted it to be really oversized. So
yeah.
But you can buy your own, your size.
Your actual
like
size
if you're 14, you can stick to it. You don't have to go up a size because they're quite roomy anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fabric, I don't know how to describe. It feels suede-y, but not suede. It feels even softer than suede. And yeah, just all the pockets that you have here to use. So yeah, all in all, a really nice jacket. Especially, like I said, if you're a little bit older.
Season, isn't it?
Yeah,
Spring.
Spring colour.
Summer.
Yeah. So that is that jacket.
And we're gonna style these anyway, so I'm sure at some point you'll see in some of the videos.
So, oh yeah, this one is our next one. Black, which is obviously staple, but like I said before, anytime you feel like you're going to wear a black jacket, your best bet is to maybe a change in fabric, which will add another dimension to your look. So last time was leather, but here we have tweed. And I do feel like if you're going out to a dinner or whatever, the tweed again gives you that upper class look. So yeah, this is the jacket. Like you can see, it's got a belt that you can cinch in if you ever need to.
What size is it?
Size 22 and originally 79, but on sale, so got it for cheaper. Yeah, very simple, nothing much more to say to be honest, but all in all, how would you want to wear it?
I see it on a long racer top, like, you know, those, not bodycon, like the straight
But
ones.
fitted, yeah. Oh, okay.
Fitted, yeah, exactly. Fitted, yeah.
Yeah.
I see it with that. I see it with your regular jeans. I see it with, 10 dresses. It's just like a throw-on thing.
Yeah.
You can even use it like a duster, because a duster is not supposed to, it's shapeless.
Right.
It's just supposed to be something that keeps
This is
you warm,
relaxed fit, yeah. So yeah, really nice, simple jacket that you can throw on. A lot of different fits. Next thing we have here is this dress. Now, this is actually in coordination with the jacket, isn't it?
Yeah, you can show
So,
both.
If you guys
We
saw
showed
the
this
jacket,
one earlier.
yeah, and this is the dress for it. They come as a pair. Obviously, if you wore it as a pair, I feel like that's what would make
That's
it.
when you are going to the royal family engagement.
So yeah, this is the dress for it. I think it's really, really cute, really, really nice. The cap sleeve mean that you can wear it on spring evenings, autumn evenings, where it's a little bit warmer. Size 18, originally £59, but has come down. In terms of the cut of the dress, how would you describe?
Just like a shift dress.
Yeah,
There's a shift dress.
where it's just like straight.
Yeah. It's not snag, it's not bodycon, but it's not also A-line, it's not whatever.
Yeah.
So this is a shape dress. And I like these dresses because, like you said, again, it's a real classic.
Yeah.
This doesn't go out of fashion.
It's not going anywhere.
It's just how you style it. And what I have in mind is to style it with a grandpa or a Mandarin collar shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, so what will happen is that the end of the shirt, you know, the step
peep
hem shirt
through.
will peep through.
Yeah.
And you have the long sleeve coming through.
Yeah.
And then the silhouette of this dress would, it would enhance
Yeah,
it,
I'm really
so,
liking the sound of that.
yeah.
Really, really good. So if you have anywhere of importance to go to, you can still look unique, but still within formal guidelines.
Yeah, definitely.
So really, really like this one. What else? Okay, yeah, this one. So next jacket, let me show you guys in the packaging.
The dress. The same dress as the one we just
Showed you, but a different print. Let me open that for you guys. Mummy, if you had to describe the concept of tweed, like what it encompasses, how would you explain it?
Tweed is just, I don't know the formulation of the fabric itself, but I know that it's a textured fabric. And I think maybe the origin of tweed is when they wanted it. They wanted warm winter
Clothing.
And the thing with, I'm not trying to give you fashion history right now, but
Teach us.
back in the day, fabrics were so scarce that every part of the fabric was
Needs to be
used
utilized.
again.
Yeah.
So in my mind, I think that it was just leftover strings of wool, this, and then they just
Come
put
to
everything together, came up with tweed. But if you know why tweed is here,
Comment down below. Yeah, let us know. But like we said, this dress is similar to or the same as the one before, just different color scheme going on. And even different fabrics running through it, to be honest. You have your brown, pink, blue. Really, really nice. Same buttons, same style. So same concept as before with the shirt dress or a shirt, proper shirt to put underneath it. Yeah.
Do you know what I had in mind for this? I was actually going to wear it like a jacket, like a long line jacket.
Oh, okay.
With a white shirt, with jeans and some shoes. Yeah. So you don't always have to stick to
what it's made for.
Yeah. You can be adventurous and try new things. So that's how I intend to style it.
Yeah.
Or even with a wide leg trousers, because wide leg is in.
Yeah.
You can make it look very chic.
Oh yeah, for anyone who wants to know, probably just above the knee or just over the knee actually.
I think this is the tall version.
Oh,
the tall. Because I'm tall, I usually will pick up tall. They have regular and they have short, but I think this unless it doesn't say.
Yeah, this one's not too.
Okay, that's cool.
But yeah, just for if you're wondering.
And just like the other one, I think.
Oh, this is the blazer that I came with
as well.
So, let me get this out for you guys. So this is the blazer that it comes with. I'll hold up both for you to see. But yeah, it's the same as the set before.
Same fabric.
Just yeah. Two different. Yeah. Size 20 we got the jacket in. And the dress is a size 18. Next. I think this is our final jacket. Possibly, yeah. So this beige tweed jacket or off-white tweed jacket. A size 16. Again, same like the navy with the buttons. I think they're the same style but just a different colour. You have silver running through to add a little bit of glitz to it. If you have something important like a christening, baby dedication, wedding, if you're the mum, then this is also a very nice jacket to wear. Let me show you the back of it as well. Just your regular straight fit jacket.
It's got like a silver.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Glitter. Oh, you said that already.
Yeah, that goes
running through it. Yeah. So it can be an evening wear, it can be a Sunday, christening, weddings, blessing, anything that demands that you look
like
pure.
You made it. Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah. And you have to make a bit of an effort.
Yeah.
Then this is it.
It's a work.
So, yeah.
And like you've seen in the videos, we have so many different sizes. This is what I keep saying, that you don't always have to say, oh, I'm a size 14, so I need to get a 14.
Yeah.
Try other sizes. It's just how you put it together that makes it.
So yeah, I think that's it for this M&S haul. Comment down below if you liked it and any other brands actually you want us to shop from to see what they have. Like I said, subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. And if it fits,
feel free and have fun styling it.
Bye guys.
Bye.